The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a lion was sleeping outside his den. Nearby, a little mouse was playing hide and seek with his friends. By chance, the mouse ran over the lion. Instantly, the lion woke up in anger. He grabbed the mouse and said, "You are my evening snack today." The poor little mouse trembled with fear. "Please let me go. I will be of help to you someday or the other," he begged. The lion laughed and let the mouse go. The lion felt pity for him. How could a tiny mouse help a giant lion? After a few days, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared and rolled to get out of the net, but he failed. The little mouse heard the roar and ran to the lion. "Please don't roar. I'll set you free," said the mouse. With his sharp teeth, the mouse cut the net and released the lion. "Hooray! You have saved me," the lion said, and thanked the mouse. The lion hugged the little mouse and they became friends. Moral of the story: everybody has his own value.